What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef again, coming to you again with a video. But this time I'm teaching my nephew how to do some chocolate chip cookies, and he want raisin in them. So, they was waiting for the weekend. So, Uncle Zeke gonna make him some cookies. So, tell me your name.
Hi, my name is EJ.
That's EJ. We all EJs. I'm an EJ. He an EJ. His daddy an EJ. My sister EJ. But that's Mr. Elton Johnson Jr. and Mr. Ezekiel Johnson. I'm about to show him how to make some cookies. So when he go home to his parents, he can make his own cookies. All right. Let's get the measurements together, y'all. All right, y'all. In this bowl right there, we got, what we got? 1 stick of what?
Butter.
1 stick of butter. And that 1 stick of butter, that's 1 stick of soft butter, which has been out room temperature. You're going to put in a 1/2 cup of white sugar and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. So I showed you your measurements on that measuring cup. So put you in a 1/2 cup of, a full 1/2 cup of white sugar in your bowl. And put you a 1/2 cup of that brown sugar. So you get a good scoop. I'm gonna let him do the measurements, y'all. I'm gonna let him measure it out. All right. So now you got your 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and now we're going to get the mixer, and we're about to beat that up for about, I'll beat that for about 5 minutes. Okay, now he about to mix the sugar and the butter together till you get real creamy. So go and mix it on high till it get real creamy. All right, y'all. He got his butter and his sugars mixed up. Now he about to add in, what you about to do, vanilla extract?
Yes, sir.
You about to put in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And he gonna put in 1 egg, 1 large egg. Here's 1 large egg in there. All right, we can go and start it back up, buddy. So make sure you put the top back on your vanilla so it won't waste. Because I didn't waste so much vanilla before by forgetting to put the top on it and knocking it over. Alright, so now we're going to mix that till it get all incorporated. His egg incorporated. Now he finna put a 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So got his measuring cup out. So we're gonna put a full cup in there. Later on, I'll show him the proper way how to put flour in a richer kind. Right now, we're just dipping it in. You know, us bakers know to take a spoon and put it in a measuring cup. But can't go wrong with cookies. We can always adjust. So we put a 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
All right.
You got a 1.5 cups in there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Your baking soda is going to help your cookies spread. Rise up a little bit. Got that in there?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now you can start your mixer back. Now start slow with your mixer so the flour won't fly up on you. He got his batter mixed up. Oh, y'all can see his batter is mixed up. So there's the dough. Now he wants chocolate chips and raisins. So he about to put in 2 boxes of raisin and probably 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. So go ahead and measure your chocolate chips in there. You can do a cup of chocolate chips. I told him when you fold, when you're making chocolate chip cookies and stuff, you just fold it in with a wooden spoon. You don't pretty much have to.
A cup and a half.
Yeah, put your cup and a half of chocolate chips, and put your 2 boxes of raisins. Put your 2 boxes of raisins in there. Take your wooden spoon and you start from the bottom and you fold them in.
Mm-hmm.
And you take the spoon and fold them in. Let me show you how you properly. I'm just gonna show you one time. When you fold in something, what you do is you start from the bottom. Look, so you start from the bottom right here, and you just turn it, go like that. So you just turn it over till everything incorporated in it. So. And we're gonna put this in the refrigerator to chill for about 5 minutes, y'all. And we're gonna take the cookie scooper and we're gonna bake them on some parchment paper. That way we won't have to spray the pan. But now you know how to do your own cookies. Uncle Zeke can put it on YouTube and send it to you. If I had an iPhone, I could just have it put it on your iPhone, but y'all got another type of phone. So just fold your fold your chocolate chips in there, raisins in there, and we'll let it chill for just a few minutes. And we'll take the cookie scooper and put them out on the sheet, on the cookie sheet. We then got the cookie dough just a little chilled, and we're about to put them on the cookie sheet. So he put them on the cookie sheet, got them on the tray, and how long we gonna bake them for?
About 15 minutes.
12.
12 minutes.
12 minutes, y'all. We'll be right back.
Hey, y'all. I put my cookies in the oven for 12 minutes at 350 degrees, and these how they turned out looking.
Look at these awesome cookies, y'all. Awesome, awesome. You did a good job. I guess we'll taste one after a while. All right, y'all. I'm doing his first cooking lesson, cookies. All right, y'all, his cookies is finished, and he about to give y'all a taste test on his cookies. So go get your cookie and eat them, take them home with you. They taste good. They're yummy. Say something to the camera.
They're yummy in my tummy.
Let me get one too, y'all. Hey, y'all. All right. So, y'all seen him make it? Y'all see me show him? And y'all gonna make y'all some. We gonna get some milk. Bye, y'all.